Hello YouTubers. So today I'm going to remove and replace the headlight to this 2012 Toyota Corolla. You can see here that the headlight over here is off, and as a rule of thumb, whenever I replace one, I replace both, which is fine because they can come in 2 packs when you buy them at the store. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, you can tell that I've already disconnected the battery, because anytime you're messing with electricity, it's always best to be safe than sorry. Now this is the headlight that is out. And okay, so there's going to be 2 spots back here. This one, which is the one on the left side, which is fine. We won't touch that one. And then this one. That's the one that's the problem one right there. So we're just going to twist it, and it's going to pop right out. There we go. And that's the headlight that's having the problem. And I can see here I've already got the replacements ready to go. I'm going to replace it with some, not the top of the line that was at the store, but right below it. So get that going here. Just a second. Okay, so I got the package open. You can see here how it connects. It's a little clip that all you have to do is push down, and that'll lift up right here, and it should just pull out. Almost. Do that in my hand there. There we go. And now lift up. May need to try a couple times there. There we go. Okay, so it just pops up. It can only go in there one way because it needs to have this right here. So it just pops back in. You'll hear that little click and see this come back down. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in, be off the side like that, because it's got this little plastic piece that needs to line up for it in the hole. Go back to your home. Aren't you liking your home? There you go. Twist back down. There you go. And it's back. Okay. Now, just gonna do the other one here. Same thing. This light, not that light. So make sure you grab the right one. Here's the first one. We don't want that one. We want the other one. Oh, I already pulled it out. It's right here. So we'll replace that and check back. Okay, now I've finished the one on the left here, and now you can tell, well, and I've also put the battery back on, and you can tell, there we go, that both of them are not lighting up. I got a little fog in there, a little scratches on the lens, but at least you can tell they light up now. And the car is once again safe to drive and should not have any issues with the headlights, at least these main ones, for a long time now. Hopefully this video is come in handy for you, and if it has, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.